follow through, but I'll fly.
Doing hole 13's hole preview right now. The infamous island hole.
Alright, so hole 13, it's in the B position right now. I usually hit a Firebird or T-Bird depending on which pin location on about 50-60% on a slide hyzer and just let it crash down in, towards the basket.
So one interesting rule on this hole, if you don't make it into the island, you're throwing from your lie, even if it's not in the island, and basically you're just taking a penalty stroke. So let's say you don't land in the island, you're still going to have a chance to save your par if you make that next putt.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. We plan to upload similar videos at least once a month. Feel free to comment below if you have any video ideas or if you'd like us to come to your home course.